Thanks for joining us for a brief video tutorial on how to submit a request. Typically, you'll go to the website and click on the link to go to the maintenance system, and that will bring you to this login screen. You go ahead and log in over here. It turns out we have a test user named Nancy Owner, and I'm going to log in as Nancy Owner. And it takes me to the protected resources that she can see. You'll notice here at the top we have several tabs. We have landed on this tab called Resources, and these are things we don't want the rest of the community to see. Nancy can look at her profile, she can look at all of her requests, or she can submit a request, and that's what we're going to do today. If the issue happens to be related to Nancy's unit or condo, it's going to automatically default to her own unit. If she was going to report a maintenance request or some other question about a unit nearby, you can click the drop-down link and select another option. I've done that before when I'm driving by and I see a sprinkler gone wild. I'll make a note of which unit address it's at, and I'll come and submit a request to fix that sprinkler. Today we're going to talk about a tree branch that's hanging precariously. I'm going to go ahead and try to spell that. Tree branch is hanging all on my house. I can upload an image down here. So I have this on my desktop. I need to add these two numbers together. This is a system that we've added to keep robots from adding erroneous or just unnecessary spammy type requests. So I have to add the two numbers, 32 and 11, I believe is 43, and I'm going to click Submit. This gold banner at the top tells me that my submission is complete. I like to wait and make sure that actually happens. Notice it did take a moment or two, depending on how busy our cable provider is and how busy our server is. It could take a while. As long as you get this gold banner, you can be assured that your request was submitted. And then you'll also notice it's the first thing in this list. So these are all of Nancy's requests. I'll talk more about what you see in this view later in another tutorial. But for now, you can see that the tree branch is hanging precariously, has been submitted. It was submitted today. It was submitted by me. When you're done, you can come over here and click the logout link, and it'll take you back to the logout screen. Thanks for watching.